And now we are going to tell you the news today.
Thank you, Tom. 2 black men today were arrested and killed for coke.
God damn it, why didn't they give me any? I would pay them $500 for 12 ounces of coke.
Sarah baby, do you want to buy coke from me? I got 50 packages in my BMW we can ride off into the sunset. I mean, I'm not a lesbian.
I highly don't think you're not a lesbian cause you were humping a picture of Katy Perry last night while grabbing your husband's huge penis.
Why don't you both try some shut the fuck up? I hate the both of you. One of you are wanting to kiss the other and the other makes racist comebacks.
You're right, they both should shut up and start making me some money. I hate you both. You're fired.
No! I love my job, it pays better than yours.
Me too. I love having sex with your 67-year-old mother, I mean father, I mean both, I mean. Shit, I did it. I told everyone in the world. Shit.
I'm going to kill myself.